Hey guys, so today I'm just going to go through how to retrieve information from text field, your seekbar, checkboxes, and radio buttons. So the idea behind this app will be just to take in each of these values, and when you click the submit button, it will show the values here in the text area. So all this is here is a text view, which you can find under text view. Your button is found if you just go into all buttons up the top. In your widgets, you'll be able to see your seekbar here, checkbox, and radio button. So that's pretty much all that's going on here. If you go into the main class, just to help hurry things along, I just matched up the variables with each attribute here. So each of these have IDs. So the ID for the text field is text, the seekbar is seekbar, checkbox is checkbox, and so on. And this down here is display. There's my different values or variables, and here we are kind of making the connection, so to speak, down here. Okay, so that aside, let's get straight to it. So next, what we need to do is get the submit button and add an on-click listener. So in the on-click listener, we wanted to grab the information from these fields. So we'll start by making a user input text variable, which will take in the information that is entered into the text field. So that's this field here. Then we want to take in information from the seekbar. So here, get progress is how you actually, this method here is how you take in information from the seekbar. Now, there's a problem here. We are trying to get in a value, but what value? This seekbar means nothing at the moment. So what's the difference between the dot being here and the dot being down the end on the bar? Nothing at the moment. So I'm going to set the max value to 10. So basically, when this is moved to the end, that represents 10, the value 10. If it's moved halfway, 5, and so on. You can set that to whatever number you want. So if you set the max to 20, half of it would be 10. So we do that up here. Seekbar dot set max 10. And then next thing to do in here is we want to see if the checkboxes are checked. So if checkbox is checked, it's as simple as that. But now what do we want to do with the checkboxes checked? We're going to create two booleans. So boolean is checked for the checkboxes and is selected for the radio buttons. And then down here, we will set these both to false. So if the checkbox is checked, we're going to set the is checked to true. Else, if it's not checked, we set it to false. Similarly with the radio button, gets checked, we're going to say is selected equals true, and if it's not, false. Now we've kind of got all our information, but we want to display the data. Let's see if it works. So we say display area, set text, so we set the text in the display area to the following. We're going to say results, \n means next line in Java, plus, so what do we want on the next line? We're going to say the text that was entered is equal to user input text. Oops. Then we have the seekbar value. Then we have the checkbox. So we'll say is checkbox checked. And finally is radio button checked. That should be everything, and we'll run. Okay, so we'll say hi. We'll set this to halfway for now, and the checkbox selected. We won't select the radio button this time, so we click submit. So the results are the text is hi, seekbar value is 5, yeah, that's halfway, so that'd be right. Is checkbox selected or checked? True. And is radio button checked? Not true. Let's bring this up to the top, and let's unselect this and select radio button. Again, the values change. Let's select both. Now both are true. Seekbar value 10 and text is high. So it's quite simple. A lot of the methods are built in, so not much to be done there. So thanks for watching.